You enjoying your pancakes, my boy? Are you enjoying your pancakes? Shall we show him how we make them? Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome to Papa Lou's kitchen. Folks, what's happening? I'm here with my little friend. So this is my baby boy. He's 100% vegan, born and raised, and I'm going to be introducing from time to time some new sections on this channel, which is the vegan baby food that I make for him. He's 11 months old, so it's going to be around his age group. Quick disclaimer, folks, just make sure that your kids are around about this age where they can chew, and just keep them supervised at all times. As always, if you like vegan, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on the channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're super awesome. Love you all. Ciao for now. Let's get cooking. So just before we begin, I just want to show you the difference between some of these oat milks that we buy, right? So this is the one that we drink, my wife and I, because this is the best one, honestly. This Tesco's own brand. It's better than all of the branded oat milks that you can try at the moment anyway. But the reason why we use the organic one for him, for the baby, is simple, right? So look, if you look on the ingredients here, look at how many ingredients there are. So chicory root, fiber, trice, loads of stuff that you can't even pronounce, right? If you look on the other hand at this one, there you go, it's literally like 3-4 ingredients. Sunflower oil, I mean, I'd rather it not be in there, but it's the one with the least ingredients in. And that's what you want to make sure that you're getting. If it's for the baby, just make sure you're getting the one with the least ingredients. And you're also going to need a blender. So as a first step, just make sure you've got the sweetest, ripest banana you can find. The sweeter it is, the better they enjoy it more. Next, we're just going to add everything into our Ninja cup and just blend it. Do that for about 30 seconds so you get like a creamy texture. It should be thick, not runny at all, because if it's runny, it simply won't work. So make sure it is quite thick, like a sludge. The thicker, the better. Next, you want to pour that onto a boiling hot pan, and that's it. Just flip it. The moment, give it a twist, give it a shake, just see if it starts flapping around the sides. If it does, you're free to flip it up. Next, you want to cut it into thin slices, like little soldiers, and basically just trim them down to the size that your kids are usually eating at. And that's fine, that's it, you're good to go. Very easy recipe. So, time for the taste test. Go ahead, my boy. Let's bring them close up. Opa. These are very good as well. They stick. You enjoying the baby pancakes, my boy? Yes. As you can see, he's devoured quite a lot of it. Now, this is a very nice recipe. The reason why I like making this for him is because usually when it's wet food, he just makes a complete mess. These are dry. So the only problem is that sometimes you'll see, once you take this tray off, you'll see that like some of them have fallen down the sides. But other than that, like, it doesn't make a mess. He's really happy and content just sitting there eating these all day long, really. So I make these about once a day for him. It's a nice snack. He likes it. It's very healthy, and you know, overall, he's as you can see. You happy, my boy? You happy? He's happy. So there you go. The only thing is, again, like I said, you just got to fish him back out, and then he's good. We're good? We good? We good. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I appreciate it very much. And once again, thanks to every single one of you.